Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to tweet a picture or photo in Twitter. So first, you need to make sure that you are already logged in to your Twitter account. Now, this is how it looks like if you are already logged into your Twitter account. You'll be routed in your homepage. So, for you to upload or tweet a photo in your Twitter, you need to click or hover your cursor right here on the media option. Again, it's on the media option on your homepage. If you'll click that one, it allows you to select a specific file or photo that you will be uploading or you will be tweeting. So let's try to tweet this one. There, it will be uploaded, not yet tweeted on your profile or wall. So, since it was already being placed on your tweet, you can also add any caption on it or quote to say hello, everyone. After that one, make sure to click the tweet option for it to be tweeted or posted on your wall. And there, that's how you tweet a photo in Twitter. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.